There are people smiling with you in the daytime, but destroying you at night. Yes. And today, I will show you how to use just onions, these onions here, to make every hidden enemy pay for all they have done to you. Before we dive in, make sure you like, share, and follow because I will be dropping powerful teachings like this back to back. And I don't want you to miss the next one. Plus, when you share, you help someone else who secretly needs this video. This work is very simple but highly effective. All you need is one purple onions, a plain white sheet of paper, a blue pen or a blue marker. Cut the onions in a round shape. Don't chop into small pieces. Just one clean round cut so you can open and close it back. On that plain paper, that plain white sheet of paper, write something. Write these words, all my enemies. Just write all my enemies on that white plain paper. Don't write anybody's name. Sometimes the people plotting against you are the same ones laughing with you. So never assume who the person is. Fold this paper and place it inside these onions. Then close this onion back carefully. Close it back carefully. Now hold the onion in your hand and pray with authority. Every enemy that does not want me to rise in my house, in my family, in my workplace, in my business place, as I bury these onions, so shall their evil plans go down. Their powers will scatter. Their works will be destroyed. After you pray, go outside. Find a spot where you can bury it quietly. Maybe in your backyard, inside your compound, or anywhere safe that you know that someone will not go and dig it out. Cover it very well and leave it there. Within 21 days, you will begin to see the manifestations. It works directly on the guilty ones. It doesn't harm the innocent one. It also doesn't have side effects. This is nature's power. It's simple but mighty. Don't play with these spiritual tools. If you find this valuable, like, share, and follow me now so you will always be the first to know when I drop the next powerful teaching. Trust me, more bangers are coming, and your testimony will follow soon. Thank you very much.